Hi everyone, this is Donshid. I hope you guys are doing well. In this quick video, I'll be showing you how to get your Wix website video background to play on mobile devices like your smartphone, tablet, or any mobile device. Okay, so let me go back to the website editor. And generally, when you are building the Wix website, you're probably gonna be doing this on your computer, because this way you're gonna be able to get into this website editor that allows you to build your website. Okay, so the first thing, by the way, I have three elements here. I have Wix slider at the top, then Wix strip here, and then I have another strip with two columns. I put these three here because these three are the most used elements on Wix websites. Anyway, I'm going to start with the slider. With the slider, you want to go ahead, and that's when you are in your desktop version of your website. Okay, you go ahead and click on Change Slide Background. Okay, you click on Video button here, and then you upload your own video. You choose it from your computer files and you upload it. For me, I can just go ahead and select any video. I already selected this one, by the way. Okay, when you select your own video, and it's the same way if you upload your own video, you're gonna find it on Site Files here. You're gonna find it exactly like this. You simply click on it and you click Change Background. Okay, when you do, you'll see that if you click on the play button, it will automatically, plays when you are still on the website editor. But to make this video plays when you are on mobile device, you want to do the following. You want to go ahead and click on switch to mobile here. And when you switch to mobile editor, you want to go ahead and click on the slider. You click on this little background icon here, and then you're gonna find this one switched to off option. Okay, you want to go ahead and switch it back to on like this, and when you do this, that's pretty much it. You click preview and the video will be playing. Okay, by the way, if you have more than one slider, you can simply do the same thing that you just watched in the video to the other sliders. Okay, you go back to your desktop view. Okay, you select the other sliders. You change the background to your preferred video, and then you go to mobile view and you turn on video playing on the background. That's it for the Wix slider. And now, by the way, let me remove this, and now let's move to the Wix strip. Okay, you do the same thing that you just see with the Wix slider. You click on Change Strip Background, you click on Video button here. Again, I'm gonna select this video. If you have your own video file, go ahead and upload it by clicking on this button here. Change background, and the video is going to play on the strip, as you can see. Again, if I move to the mobile view, click one time here, click on background icon, and same thing here. Enable this option, and you're gonna be able to play the video on your mobile device. Okay, let me go back to the desktop view. Let me remove this strip, and now let's apply this to the strip column. For example, if you have a strip with multiple columns and you want to do this to one column only, what you want to do is you click one time on the strip like this, and when you click one time, you will see that it is saying the background can't be changed when hidden by columns. Okay, so what you want to do, instead of clicking one time, go ahead and click again on the column that you want to play with. So for me, I'm going to apply with column number 2. What I want to do is I want to click one time again, and then boom, I'm inside of this column number 2, as you can see here. If I click on this one, you're going to see column number 1. If I click somewhere outside and I get back, it says strip here. I'm on the general strip. Go ahead and click one time on your preferred column, and then you're going to be able to play with it. Go ahead and change column background. Again, video here. I'm going to select the same video. Click change background. And again, go to mobile view. And I have this column here with the video that I just selected. You can do the same thing, but this time instead of clicking one time, you might gonna click one time and you're gonna be searching for the background icon. You're gonna be confused, but don't be confused. What you want to do is you click one time and then you click another time on the column that you want to play with. Okay, same thing that you just see on the desktop view. As you can see, column number 2. If I click here, column number 1. If I click outside and get back, it will be on the general strip. I'm gonna click on the column number 2, and again I have this background icon here, and same thing, you enable play video on mobile, you hit X, you preview it, and then the video will be applying, or the video will be moving on your mobile device. Anyway, that's how you can deal with Wix video background, getting it playing on the mobile device. I hope you guys are enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be uploading more Wix tutorials that you'll probably gonna need on the future. Thank you for watching this video, and by the way, don't forget to publish your changes that you just made on your website. Thank you.